It was just before Christmas in 2021. The couple was preparing dinner when investigators say their 11-month-old daughter accidentally knocked a loaded revolver to the floor and it fired, killing the infant.
Unfortunately, it's not that uncommon.
Dr. Fred Rivera is a professor of pediatrics at the University of Washington. He says 8 children are shot every day in America because they gained access to an unsecured firearm.
We realize that having a loaded firearm on a coffee table where an 11-month-old may be cruising, holding onto the table, and accidentally knocking it off. It's an incident waiting to happen.
Now, the child's parents, Jesse Kitson and Arabella are charged with manslaughter. Both are convicted felons. Neither is allowed to own a gun. In court documents, Watts said she often fought with Kitson over his lax safety procedures with weapons, saying at one point, "I knew this could happen." Researchers tell us only about half of the guns in Washington are properly stored. In 2018, Washington lawmakers passed the Safe Gun Storage Law. A Harborview Medical Center study found safe storage decreases the risk of an unintentional shooting or suicide by children up to 80%. Dr. Rivera uses the word unintentional instead of accidental because he says leaving a loaded gun where a child can access it is no accident.
This family lost an 11-month-old baby, and that's a tragedy. I always believe that parents love their children, and for them to lose a loved child is a tragedy that will stay with them the rest of their lives. And particularly when we know that it was a preventable incident. Hopefully people will see this and try to think hard about how they can safely store their firearms.
The couple was released on their own personal recognizance today. Their next court date is in April. Live in Everett, Eric Wilkinson, King 5.